welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. So today is a new box for me. This was sent to me for free to unbox for you guys and just generally review. This is the Israeli pack. So this is kind of a different box than my typical box. This one is themed around all things about Israel and actually shipped all the way from Israel, so that's really cool. So this box, this is their latest box, is themed about a summer vacation in Israel. And I actually really haven't looked through all the stuff yet because when I looked at it, each individual thing was packaged up. And so I kind of wanted to open this together so we could kind of discover this. I will have some links down below and a discount code for you guys down below if this is something you're interested in. I know I've started kind of branching away from just the beauty boxes, and I think it's kind of fun to, you know, get these more bearing boxes. So they have a little handout and it does go over all the little items. So I'll try to kind of give a little blurb about these as we go through it and just go from there. So there is a little invite a friend card in here, and then they talk about the different, like they have this little handout here that talks about doing a trip to Israel. And I think this is kind of fun because right now none of us can travel with COVID. So it is kind of fun to have like a little trip per se at home, you know, so you can enjoy things. So this gives you like a map of Israel and like the sites and places. And then on the back here, it says a vacation without leaving home. And so it goes through all the things you're going to enjoy and what day on the map and everything. So that's really cool. Like it's like a little mini vacation here. So opening up the package, it looks like this. And we'll get into it here. Like I said, this is all nicely wrapped up. I'm going to get peanuts everywhere. All right, so let's just open up and go through everything. There's a little peanuts here that I'm just going to kind of pop to the side here. And then we'll go through each of these individual items here as we go through. So the first thing here says, read with me and I will become your favorite book friend. This bookmark was created by an Israeli artist in collaboration with the Israel Museum, which features the most extensive holding of the biblical and Holy Land archaeology in the world. So that's cool. Let's see what we got. I love that they packaged each and every one of these individually. That's super fun. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. Okay, so this is the first item here. This is a really pretty bookmark, and I do love to read books. There's something about having a regular old book, not just electronic book. I read all sorts of books, electronic and otherwise, and having a bookmark for that. This feels like something that you would actually get in a museum as a souvenir. So this does really fit with that theme. And really, really interesting and cool there. Okay, so that is the first item here. Second item is, don't judge me by my cover. Just because I'm made from upcycled material doesn't mean I'm not an art piece. Original eco-friendly artwork featured in Tel Aviv Illustration Week. So let's open this here. And it does, I'm trying to not break open all these and keep it all pretty here. So let's see what we got here. All right, so this is an art piece here. I usually like to give cards and stuff like this to my daughter because she likes this kind of stuff, and usually she'll like send them as a little note to someone here. All right, so that is the second item. Let's go on here, and we've got this thing here. It says, sprinkle me on everything, and I'll add an amazing and authentic Israeli zest to any dish you cook. This za'atar is a multi-purpose spice that comes from Galilee and the area blessed with many herbs that have the best aromatic flavor in the world. So let's see what we got. I love this. It's so fun. It's like opening up a whole package here. All right, let's see. Za'atar. This is the item here. So let's open it up here. It says tear open, tear to open. Let's see what we got here. This is like fancy packaging here. Trying to get it all open here. All right. Oh, wow. I assume, I'm not even sure how to get this out and open here. we're just gonna kind of rip into this because I am not getting this open the way that I think you're supposed to open it, but that's okay. All right, so this is the herbs here. And then just reading on it here, it says, it's got, let's see, it's got hyssop, which is not an ingredient that I am familiar with. I'll have to do more research on that, but sesame, sumac, lemon acid, and salt. It says it's a healthy multi-purpose spice, the blend that enriches flavor and aroma of many dishes, including salads, breads, pastas, soups, meat, fish, cheese, egg, and pizza. So definitely something I will try out when I cook, since we're cooking it a lot more recently. So that is that. All right, let's go on to the next item here. It says Eat Me, so they do send some food products in here. This is the guilt-free peanut butter chocolate cookies. I'm a big fan of peanut butter and chocolate. It says your taste buds will confuse this healthy snack for a dessert, low sugar, low carb, and high in protein. I'm all for that right now. Trying to eat healthier, a little bit hard with everything going on. Ooh, look at this. So this is what it looks like here. So these look really, really interesting and really, really amazing. All right, so we've got those. I'll have to try them in a little bit here. All right, this is another item that you can eat. It says, Eat Me. This is the most biblical snack because it is made up of only 2 ingredients, and both of them are mentioned in the Bible multiple times. So dates and almonds, no sugar added. All right, let's see what we got here. Tamar. Oh, that's very interesting. I'll have to try that out and see what I think. So yeah, that is dates and almonds, usually 2 ingredients that I actually really, really like. All right, moving on here, we have Apply Me to Your Nails. Dreaming about a manicure during quarantine, this nail hardener packed with minerals from the Dead Sea will strengthen your beautiful nails. So let's see what we got. I really like Ahava is a brand that comes from Israel, and they have a lot of Dead Sea, that material from the Dead Sea, and it is really, really good, the mud from there. And so I find ingredients from that are very helpful. So this is what it looks like. And let me see what we got here. All right, so this is basically like a nail oil. That's really nice. I do like nail oils, things to strengthen my nails. Obviously, I'm washing my nails a lot with everything that's going on. So something like this is actually quite handy for me. This box, I can't even describe all the stuff they packed in here. It smells really, really good. Like I opened this up and I just had this very pleasant smell. So, all right, it says Eat Me, guilt-free berry candies, natural, delicious, and sugar-free, nothing but real fruit, and vegan friendly. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, they're like little berry snacks. So they're little berry snacks here, so that's cool. Probably open these up and try these with my kids. I don't want to open up all the food part because I want to be able to eat these and not have them go bad. All right, this is Smell Me. Oh, this is what's making this whole box smell so good. This soap is inspired by the song Jerusalem of Gold, and it's the unofficial anthem of Israel. All right, so let's see this one. Smells amazing. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. It smells, it's sweet, but it smells really, really good. So that's what that looks like. Let me open this up. It says it's premium handmade with love, and it has soap flakes, almond oil, shea butter, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, and vitamin E. And that is, oh, that's so super cute. So it has a little emblem of Jerusalem in there. So that's super pretty. Smells freaking amazing. Oh, I love soaps. I actually have a friend that I used to work with who makes soaps now, and I'm just in awe about people who can do that. All right, it says, Wear Me, I will protect you with style. Face mask from a Tel Aviv fashion designer turns hygienic into cultural expression. Very apropos right now. I am having to wear an N95 all day at work, and I really think it is so very important that everybody wear face masks. So I love that they have sent a face mask over for people to wear. I think this is so true and on point if you want to travel right now. So this is, it feels like it's double, and it's super cute. It's got little buses on this side. On this side, it's got little, like a flower pattern. It looks like it's reversible. The question is this, see, this is a little big on me, so I don't know. I guess what you could do to tighten this up is you could tie either end to make it looser or tighter. But yeah, that is really cute. Definitely great right now with everything going on. And then here's my final item. It says, apply me to the cuticles. This oil treatment will bring the nail salon to you. Naturally rich in minerals, it will keep your cuticles moisture and stimulate healthy nail growth. So let's see what this last item is. Here. So this looks like it's from the same company as the other company. And yeah, so it's a nail hardener. Similar idea to the other one. In fact, let me look and see. Yeah, so I actually think they mislabeled it. I think this was supposed to be the nail hardener in the original one. This is the nail oil, but same idea. So we have a nail hardener and a nail oil. Both are really cool. All right, so let me go a little bit more into here. So on each page, they do talk a little bit more about each product. And that's really neat. So like they talk about the peanut butter and chocolate cookies, and this family and how they're bakers. They give you the specific ingredients of the goods, which is good because a lot of it is in not in English, and so for me, it's hard for me to know what's in there. So I do appreciate they put that in there for you, and they talk about the different people that make it. They talk about the spices, and then so this should give us a little bit more background of how to use it, and then they talk about the background of the family who puts this together, which is really cool. And then we talk about the nail hardener again. They tell you kind of how to use it, and they talk about the different ingredients in it. Same with this oil treatment. And they talk about the Dead Sea salt, which I was talking about. Then we talk about the Jerusalem of Gold scented soap. And I don't even know, it's such a good smell. I wish I could describe it better. It's kind of sweet, but not overly sweet. And they talk about the creator of the soap here. And then finally here, we talk about the face masks by Karen Frankel Jewelry Fashion Design. So that's really nice. Those are really, really cute. And then they talk about the postcards by Tin Time and Vinkin Knit. So Tin Time did the bookmark, and then Biking Git, I think I'm saying that correctly, did the actual postcard. And they talk about kind of all their history and a little bit more about them. Oh no, so this is just the postcard. So I misspoke there. The postcard is from Ofik Wertman. So he is the specialist in computer animation, and he makes colorful objects, and I talk about it. So that's really cool. You get to talk more about it. So talking more about this here, they wanted you to put together a trip of a lifetime for just you. And so they basically go through it, and you can look on this map and each of those products as they talk about it. You can look at kind of where they came from on here. So for example, some of the products were from Jerusalem or Tel Aviv. They talk about it here. And then they talk about some of the other cities. So you get to learn about these places as you're going through these products. Kind of think of it as like souvenirs that you would buy and then bring home. And that's kind of how they wanted to kind of theme this box, which I thought was really cool. So very cute idea, very neat box, very different. If some of you guys don't know, my handle on all my social media is Travel with Red. I had originally, way back in the day when I was a resident, so that was over 8 years ago, I went to Thailand and did a rotation there in this border city with Myanmar or Burma, and I was asked to build a blog basically of my month-long journey there and the patients that I treated and just the experience in general. That was my requirement of my trip for my residency. And so I kind of rolled over that blog initially when I got back into videotaping to try to go over all of this stuff. And then I kind of let the blog, because I'm not the best writer in the world. I'm much better on camera and talking to people face to face. And so I kind of let the blog go, but all my handles and stuff, my Instagram, all of that were under Travel with red. I still like to travel a lot, unfortunately not happening right now. And so that's why you'll see references to that. And I think this is super fun because I love to travel. And I actually have been looking at different subscription boxes that involve travel. I think there's like Journey Bee and a couple other ones that I've been interested in. So this is super fun. And I love the fact that I got to try it out and just see and show you guys, because this is a fairly new box. So anyway, I will put information. I don't remember off the top of my head how much this box cost, but I believe put the price down below in the description with the coupon code and the link if you guys are interested in looking into this box more and purchasing this. Like I said, this one should be available when I put this video up, so if you're interested, go ahead and order. But yeah, if you guys are interested in more of these boxes, definitely let me know. I'm trying to branch out a little bit more on my channel, and I'll give us kind of something a little bit fun and different beyond just beauty and all that kind of stuff. So if this is cool and the type of thing you guys want to see more of, definitely let me know. But anyway, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this. Like I said, I'll put more details down below for you guys, and that was really fun. Thank you for Israeli Pack for reaching out and sending this to me. I did enjoy that greatly, and I appreciate having the opportunity to try these boxes out. So anyway, guys, that's it. Thanks so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.